Hey guys, got a 2014 plate Volkswagen Golf R here. It's going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you need to turn the ignition on first, then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And from here, I'm going to go to Setup in the top right hand corner. Then time and date. Then from here, you press on time, adjust the hours that you need and the minutes. And then once you've done that, press back. Then you can also set the summertime, so press it forward and back an hour. The time zone, and again, once you pick what you need, press back. Time format, 12 hour, 24 hour. And then at the bottom, finally your date, change your date. Then once you're happy, press back, and that's it.